It's coming down. Coming down right now.
Strong.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, anywhere you're at in the world. Presently, I'm by Caribbean Water Park in Santo Domingo. And today we're expecting to have a wonderful, enjoyable time with the family, of course. Very quiet so far, and this place opens like 11 o'clock, and we are waiting for entrance the entire park. You can see, yes, we're waiting for entrance the entire park. So in the interim, I'm just going to videotape outside the park. It's quiet, but as I said, a lot more exciting moment is ahead. First I'm coming here, but based on the reviews, it's worth a try. You can see that. Bienvenido. Welcome. Have quite a few trees. And we have quite a few people lined up to entrance the water park. See that? Stay tuned for much more. I'm actually in Caribbean Splash Water Park. You can see, beautiful place, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I like it. It's nice. Very nice. I like it. Beautiful place. You can see. Very nice. Lovely. You can also go in the water, swim, eat, anything that you want to do. See there? It's not as sunny today, but it's very beautiful. And as you can see, Jelani is here. He's about to sit down. We're not here to sit down though. The washroom is down that side, as I see, if you want to change. And this place is very nice. See, the kids are busy. They can't wait to move. Can't wait to move. And this place is Caribbean Splash Water Park. It's lovely. It's lovely. You have slides, you have all different kinds of activities. Very nice place. Very nice place. Look what they're saying. Los niños de bienestar supervisador por un adulto permanentemente. You see that? Very nice place. Very lovely place. I'm telling you. See, you have a slide. It's like a mini slide right there on the water. I like it. I see I have a big slide over there. It's beautiful. I like this place. And as I said, this place is situated in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Very lovely place. I'm loving this. Can see that? Lovely. You can see. Lovely. The water for the children. I love this. You can go in. Lovely. Right there. And as you can see, Jelani just dive in the water. We're still here at Caribbean Splash Water Park. About to swim in the water. You see him? Swimming. You can see him. Jelani, come down, Anito. You can see him right there. It's coming down. Coming down right now. Alright. Okay. Caribbean Splash Water Park was a very good experience. It is actually a family-oriented park, and the family as well as ourselves enjoyed ourselves tremendously. We paid 27 USD to entrance the park, and we enjoyed ourselves. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye bye.